Still relying on manual screw assembly for LED displays? What if you could complete the same work faster, with fewer operators and greater consistency? Introducing the GIMS Automatic LED Display Screw Tightening and Removal Machine. Featuring automatic screw feeding, precision positioning, intelligent fastening, and automatic screw removal, the system streamlines both assembly and maintenance operations. Designed for LED display manufacturers and service providers, it helps eliminate repetitive manual work, reduce labor costs, and improve production efficiency. Consistent torque control ensures reliable fastening quality, while high-speed operation boosts overall productivity. Whether for new product assembly or after-sales maintenance, this flexible solution delivers greater efficiency, better quality, and lower operating costs. Ready to upgrade your production process? Contact GIMS today and discover the future of LED display automation. Contact us, jhimes.com.